You guys, we're just asking, in fact, you guys have any originals? Off camera, not on camera, off camera over here where you can't see. It really happened. You can edit that in, right? Alright, we'll do a jump cut later. It's like, ah, this is the last song. But if you guys have 3 minutes of time, you won't hate this. Maybe 3.5, I don't know. Depends on how long the drum solo goes. It's very involved and complex. So this song was originally going to be called The Bipolar Coaster, but I pulled that name back because it's way cooler for an EP. And I took a couple of words out of the song and I turned it into the title. The song's called The Devil in Your Head. Don't see the sunshine anymore. No, not the rain. Not today. And I'm not gonna argue anymore. Got a lot of messed up things that I could say. Now she's never coming home again. Got all those questions spinning in my head. What did I do wrong? Is it something that I said? It wasn't me, it's just a devil in her head. Well, another season came and passed. I swept all the broken glass. I accepted everything I could not change. You can keep your secrets, thoughts and reasons. Don't get mad, cause I'm still breathing. I don't hate you, I forgive you anyway. Now she's never coming home again. Got all those questions spinning in my head. What did I do wrong? Is it something that I said? It's never me, it's just a devil in her head. You, I forgive you, and the devil in your head. You can choose the dark or the light.